students, this is Dr. Soumya, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the electrochemistry chapter. Okay, so what is electrochemistry? So electrochemistry we come across in our day-to-day life. For example, now you are watching the video using your cell phone. Okay, so here what is there? You are charging your battery of the cell and using your cell phone. Similarly, what do you do in your vehicles? You commute from one place to another using vehicles. There we use the batteries. And other examples are you are using a television, you are recharging, you are charging your remote of your television, you are using laptop for various purposes, you are charging your laptop, and also you have so many things, that is electrochemical reactions. It is taking place in, for example, in the modern day equipments you use drone to take the videos wherever it flies for any functions, any marriages or any VIP functions like that. So there also you use the batteries, right? So here are the electrochemical reactions they come into play, right? So you would have understand what is electrochemical reaction by now, right? So we are going to see what is an electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell can be classified broadly into galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. Okay, when you understand the basic of this galvanic cell and the electrolytic cell, you will understand what is electrochemistry. You will have a clear view on it. Right? So what is galvanic cell? Galvanic cell is one in which spontaneous reaction takes place. So what is spontaneous reaction? Spontaneous reaction is one in which the reaction it occurs by itself without giving any trigger or without giving any point to start with. Okay, so that is spontaneous reaction. Okay, what is delta G? I have given a term delta G over here. You have come across this in your thermodynamics in your class 12, right? So delta G is nothing but Gibbs free energy. Okay, so this energy, that is the electrochemical energy, is related to the Gibbs free energy. Okay, when a reaction is spontaneous, the Gibbs free energy is negative. Okay, for a spontaneous reaction, the Gibbs free energy is a negative value. Right? And here, galvanic reaction says chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay, I'll just explain this with the help of an example. So now you are using your cell phone to view this video. Right? Initially, what you are doing, you are charging your cell phone. Okay, so you are charging your cell phone means you are providing some energy to charge your battery of the cell phone. Okay, so this is not spontaneous because you are providing some external energy so that your cell phone is getting charged. Okay, this is not spontaneous, but galvanic cell, this is a spontaneous reaction. Okay, what's the next step? You are using your cell phone. Okay, so this charge that is stored in your phone is converted into electrical energy as you use the cell phone. Okay, here the reaction is spontaneous. You are not doing any act, but the chemical energy that is stored is converted into electrical energy and you are using your phone. Okay, so this we can take it as the example for the galvanic cell. Okay, that is non-spontaneous reaction. So what is electrolytic cell? Spontaneous reaction, sorry. And what is electrolytic cell? In electrolytic cell, it is a non-spontaneous reaction. Okay, non-spontaneous reaction, that is you are having, that is the Gibbs free energy for a non-spontaneous reaction is positive. And here the electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. It is not spontaneous. See, the first step is the charging of your cell phone using the current. Okay, it is not spontaneous. It is non-spontaneous. You are providing energy from the external, that is electric current, to the battery. Okay, it's a example. The first part, that is charging of your cell, it is an example for the The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. In electrolytic cell, it is a non-spontaneous reaction. Delta G is positive. The electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay. To understand this, we have to first remember the basic very well. Okay. We will see the construction of the electrolytic cell in the next video.